Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. In this video, we are going to learn about another C++ 11 concept called override specifier. So let's see how it is useful. So here we have a class called shape and we have four functions. Three are virtual, display, create and get, and another is rotate. So now our intention is to create a class which is derived from this shape class and override this display, create and get function. So here we have created a class rectangle which is deriving from this shape class and it is overriding this display, create and get function. So while deriving, when we started deriving, what we did here, we have this virtual function display and here also we have, so the signature of this display and this display are same, so it is overridden properly, so it is okay. So next thing what we did while overriding this create from this shape, what we did here, we missed to write this const. So in this case, instead of deriving this, basically instead of overriding this create function from this base class, we have created another version of this create in this derived class. So this is one mistake that we did, that we don't wanted to did but we did it. Okay, so next thing, again another mistake that we have done is, instead of overriding this get, we have created another version of get in the derived class by passing the different data type. Here it is integer but here it is float, so this is also not overridden. So our intention was to override this display, create, get from this shape class in the this rectangle class. Okay, so if you want to always ensure that you have overridden the base class function in the derived class, for that purpose in C++11 we have override specifier which will always ensure that we have overridden a correct function in derived class from the base class instead of creating a new function. Okay, so let's see how. So in this case here we have these four functions, and in this case if you see here, when you say override in derived class, when you say that function signature and you when you say override, that means it is overriding from there, so this is okay. But in this case what will happen, the function create const, but here we are not giving const. So when you say here override, it will give you compiler error. So what you are telling that you want to override this function but here you missed to give const, that means this is not the overridden version of this create function. So by mistake you forgot to write const over here, so at that time compiler will tell you that you are not overriding the function from the base class, instead you are creating a new function. Okay, so it will give you compiler error. So same way this will also give you a compiler error because this get signature is different than this get signature. So and same way over here, in this case you cannot override this function because it is a non-virtual function. Okay, so in this case override key will always ensure that you are overriding the proper function from the base class. Okay, and it will also ensure that you are not creating the different version of the base class function inside a derived class. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you have any query, please comment it.